Go home happy with the 2023 Dodge Charger. Go bold or go home. The Charger packs aggressive athleticism and unexpected fuel efficiency into a driver-centered, family-friendly four-door package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, backup camera. Feel the power of muscle car heritage at the wheel of the Charger. Road test it today.